There are two possibilities in ARCHLine.XP to create an electrical accessory: complete solution and dressable mounting plate and gang units. In the case of complete solution, the elements are displayed with an image. Switches can be made according to the manufacturer's catalog. In this case, we choose the Merton emerald green glass switch. Save the image of the switch in JPEG format to your computer. In ARCHLine.XP, you need to create a new material based on the saved image that can be used later. On the ribbon bar Interior tab, Electrical Accessories group, select the Customized Items command. In the Electrical Accessory dialog, select the Complete Solution. This new switch will be defined by a function and an image. On the Function tab, select the 101 single pole switch. Click on the Design tab and select the previously saved image from the material library. Click on the General Settings tab, specify the relative elevation of the switch. Click on the Save button to save it to the library with a new name. Place the switch on the wall. We will use the dressable mounting plate and gang units type to create the second switch. In this case, the element will be defined by a frame and a mechanism. On the Gang Units tab, select the 101 single pole switch from the Function tab. Click on the Material tab and select the silver material from the library. Click on the Frontal Profile tab and select the single switch profile for the contour of the switch. Click on the Plate tab to define the frame. Set a new color from the frame. Click on the star icon and click on the material color in the Material Properties window that appears. In the window that appears, select the RAL colors from the color table. Adjust the glass properties for rendering. Enter the relative elevation of the switch on the General Settings tab. Click on the Save button to save it to the library with a new name. Place the second switch. To create the third switch, we use the dressable mounting plate and gang units type again. On the Gang Units tab, select the 101 single pole switch from the Function tab. Select silver for the color of the gang. Select the single switch profile for the contour of the frame. On the Plate tab, define the attributes of the frame. In this case, the frame is determined by an image that can be selected from the material library. Choose the simple frame profile for the contour of the frame. Adjust the relative elevation and save it with a new name to the library. Then place it on the wall next to the other two switches. The first switch was made based on an image, the second one was determined using colors, and in the third case we used image and colors too. Finally, we will make a combination of switches. Select the dressable mounting plate and gang units type and set it to have two gangs. On the Gang Units tab, select 101 single pole switch and a gray color for your material. The shape of the contour should be single switch. Its width and height should be 9.5 centimeters. Let's go back to the Electrical Accessories tab and change the value of the offset. In this case, we have two gangs with the same function. Turn off the Equal Gang Units function setting. This enables us to have two gangs with different functions. Switching to the Gang Units tab, the parameters of the gang marked with the red frame are displayed. Switching between the gangs can be done by clicking on the blue arrows so we can adjust the properties of the other gang. Select the double switch for the profile of the second switch. Click on the Plate tab to define the frame. Frame color should be the same as we used to the gangs. Set the relative elevation of the switch, then save it with a new name to the library. Finally, place it on the wall.